What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below. Today we're doing part 4 of my decluttering series here on my YouTube channel of getting rid of my makeup. It has to be done. It needs to be purged. I have too much and it's just about damn time because I am literally so far past needing to get this done. Anyways, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. Before we do that, you guys know that if you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd love for you guys to be a part of the hashtag DevaFam, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that notification so you guys never miss any of my future uploads. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, hello, I do videos 2 to 3 times a week. They are beauty, lifestyle, and makeup videos. So if it's something that you guys like, make sure you guys, like I said, subscribe. I love you. I'm so close to 900. I don't know where I'm at. I keep saying that because as I keep looking every single day, I'm so close, so close, so close. And I would love to do a giveaway for 900 subscribers. But also, if we've already hit that, I will have it linked down below. But also at the end of my decluttering series, I always do a giveaway as well. So make sure you guys go ahead and, like I said, subscribe so you guys don't miss any future content and you don't miss out on those giveaways. Because the giveaways I do are US and international. So again, I like to make sure I include everyone. But this is just a hobby of mine. It is a passion project also at the same time. I'm a makeup enthusiast, as you guys would like to say, because I like to collect. And I've been collecting for a very, very long time. I started back in I think collecting makeup or even having the passion for it back in 2014, which is almost a decade ago, which is crazy to say. But yeah, and I have just been collecting from purchasing on my own. Sometimes I get small PR things, and then other times it's from subscription boxes, which is BOXY, Charm, and IPSY. So anyways, let's just go ahead and jump into this declutter. Alright, so if you guys couldn't tell already by the thumbnail, we are doing foundations, concealers, powders, all that kind of stuff to start off with. These 3 drawers right here have my eyeshadow palettes, which will probably be for a different video. If we can get to this one kind of has the rest of the eye products. So we'll see. But we're going to start off with foundation in this because I just know that I have shades, A, that don't match me right now at the moment, or might be possibly expired because they've just been sitting in my collection for so long and I just probably just don't need them. But yeah, there's that. So we have this huge entire bin that's full of concealers right here. So we're going to take that out really quickly. Then I've got foundations. I think these are more oh my god, what am I thinking of? Tinted moisturizers, that's what I was thinking of. Tinted moisturizers, this is what this whole one is, I think. Don't quote me on that one, but there's so much that's in here. So I definitely know right off the bat, these are the 2 Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundations from Beauty Blender. I don't even know if these are even anywhere near my shade. I definitely know one of them will probably work during the winter time, but right now as I'm looking at them, this one looks extremely light and this one probably looks like it would work for me. So I'm probably going to keep the 1.5 and get rid of the 1.2 because it just looks like it's too light. And it almost just it's too pale at the same time too. So I've got another box to fill up with stuff. So first is that foundation right off the bat. Since I have 2 of them, I'm only going to keep 1. So we'll move that over here to the side. Then we've got a lot of these other ones that are in here. So I have 2 of these, which is the Believe It, or Butter Believe It foundation. Now this one is currently kind of like my shade, a little bit light. This one's a little bit more on the darker side when I was tan during the summer. I just know that I probably don't need both of these, and I can always, my complexion can always get darker with bronzer and stuff. But this is just such a good foundation. So for right now, I'm going to put these 2 to the side because I know I probably definitely want to keep those. I've had the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Foundation in my collection for way too long, so this one probably needs to get thrown away. This is in Fair 25W, but this is actually a really good foundation. So I would repurchase this one sometime in the future, just not right now. Then I've got 2 of the In Real Life filters by Makeup Revolution. These are supposed to be oil-free, breathable, a soft matte complexion. I actually got a really good compliment wearing this the other day, and I really do like the way that these wear on my face. I have F4 and F7, so I think I'm going to keep both of those for sure. Then I've got the Revlon Skin Caring Foundation in the Illuminance. This has 5% squalene and it's shade 117. I did get this free in PR. I did use it for a little while, but I'm going to be honest, I like the, oh my god, the Maybelline one like 10 times better. So I'm probably going to pass this one along because I really didn't use that much of this one. Then we've got the two shades over here. I've got the Keep Me Covered 80 light medium and then 50 ivory. I do really like this one. I definitely know that the light medium is a little bit too dark for me right now. Even when I'm tan, I just feel like it's too yellow, and I think I got the wrong shade and I should have just taken it back, but I didn't. So I'm going to pass this one along and keep this one for sure. So we're going to go ahead and put the ones I know that I'm keeping back in here so that I can see what I've got so far right now at the moment. And we're going to have to figure out how to make this work because some of these bottles are just like too long to know what's going on here. So maybe like that, maybe? I don't freaking know. I might have to move some of these around so they can be next to each other like that. And then flop these two this way. And Estee Lauder, pardon the sirens, I do live really close to a hospital that's like 2 minutes that way, so there's always sirens, plus there's also a fire station right over there too. So moving on, keep going. Okay, I've got a bunch of other stuff that is in here right now at the moment. This is the Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 425. I do know this is too dark for me right now at the moment. I'm pretty sure this is the one I put back in here. It's definitely too dark for me, and I wish it wasn't at the moment, but it is. It's a little bit more on the yellow side. It definitely doesn't look like this in the bottle when it comes out. So we're going to pass this one along. Let's see. We have the NARS foundation here. I love this one. We're keeping that. We have the Huda Beauty one, which I don't know if this is my shade at all right now at the moment or not. I might have to swatch that. Or maybe it is. I think it is. We'll keep that. These are high-end foundations, so I'm really hesitant to get rid of some of them because I know they're good and they're definitely worth the price and the hype and the money. So we're keeping those for sure. Then I have the Bourjois Healthy Fix Foundation. I love this one because it's more of a natural foundation. So that's staying. Okay, then we're moving on over here to this shenanigans. So we've got the two, oh my god, HD Stay Skin Hydromanic, oh my god, Tinted Glow Hydrator, medium coverage. So I do really love these. These are really, really good. I just haven't used them enough, so I feel like I should be using these now. Well, I'm kind of like that in-between stage of like light and medium, and maybe I'll take these to me with me to Mexico. So as I shop my stash, I think I'm going to use those currently. Let's see. I have the Morphe one, Glow Stunner with SPF. This is in medium glow 6. Is this like tan enough for me? This one is pulling a little bit on the orange side, so we're probably going to get rid of this one. And keep this one, because this one actually almost matches my skin. Can you see how this one actually blends in and the other one does not? So, and I do like the glow of both of them, but this one actually is really, really nice. Now this probably would have been better for me to use while I was tan earlier this year, but I'm not. And honestly, Morphe products these days, I don't know. I love the setting spray, but like, I think I'm going to pass this on, honestly. You know what? I'm going to pass that one on. Someone else would probably get a better use out of it because I don't use it. So I know that's, to be honest. The Good Apple, that's staying for sure. And then we have these two. So this is the Ordinary Coverage in 2N. I definitely know that this is not my shade. This is in medium light medium, so I think I just might clean this up and pass it on. I don't know how much is left in it, honestly, though. Let me check that. There's really not that much left in this, so maybe I should just go ahead and just throw this away and get rid of it. Although there is enough to where I think someone might really get a good use out of it. I don't know. It seems like there's a lot in there, though, even though it's not, because a little goes a long way with that foundation. And then we have this one, the last foundations that I'm unsure about. This is 19.5p. I really do love this Best Skin Ever foundation by Sephora. Do not sleep on this. It's actually a really, really good one. So I think I'm going to keep that. And now we have literally dwindled down our foundation collection into that. That is it. I will say I am throwing away 2 of them. And then I am passing on all of these are in here. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 foundations that are in here for some type of skin tint that I am passing on. And then now I have this mess. This is a mess. Now I have this mess. This is a mess. So we're going to figure out what to do with this. The new Rare Beauty one, we are going to keep this. I keep telling myself this needs to go over here so I can use it, but I've not. I also do have an e.l.f. corrector that I got, which is like the pink one. I don't know how to really use these, but I definitely want to keep it because it's the only one in my collection for sure. So there's that. This is my new e.l.f. concealer, but I think this was like when I was tanner, so I think this is like too dark for me right now at the moment. That was my mistake of buying too dark of a concealer. So there's that. Here's the other e.l.f. concealer that I have. This is the Butter Concealer, which I do love that one. This is the Joa Concealer, which that's a really good one. Oh my goodness, Sandra, what are you doing? You need to actually get rid of something in here. The Joa Beauty Concealer is a really, really good one, but I definitely think this one is too yellow. Too dark for me. I can't use that one anymore. This is the IT Cosmetics CC Full Coverage Cream and Anti-Aging Serum in the shade Light. Not even open, so someone can have that one too. Then we have the Rare Beauty Concealer, which again, this one can definitely stay. We have the concealer from Makeup Revolution. This has been in my collection for goddamn who knows how long, so that one's getting thrown away. That one can definitely go. Shenanigans. The Item Beauty one is definitely staying. This is the NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer. I did use this one for a limited time, but I never kept on using it. I definitely know that's too dark for me, so that one can go. I always forget about this Huda Beauty one, but it's like super cool because it's like cooling at the same time too. So I definitely know I should probably use that one a little bit more often. The Overachiever Concealer. That's hilarious. Then I have this one from Catrice. I don't even have the foundation that goes with this anymore. I'm probably going to get rid of this one and throw this one away just because I know I've had this one for a decent amount of time from when that foundation came out. It's travel size, so that one will probably go with me to Mexico. So now we've got a whole nother empty container over here. It's like, damn. So there's that. Okay, setting powders. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it. Well, maybe one or two. We'll see what happens. So pull this all out because I have all these setting powders that are in here. So the Puff Puff Pass by Kimchi, so good. That one is definitely staying. My one size, this is the pink one. This is the regular one. And then I also have the travel size translucent one. So those are all staying, that's for sure. Then I have my Fenty powders. Which one is this one? Oh, this is in lavender. I remember the hype around this, but like, the cast that this gives is almost giving like Casper at the same time too, so I'd rather just use translucent and not this, because I don't even remember what this was actually really supposed to do because it's lavender. It's almost like the concept of the pink one, but the pink one probably does better because it blends in more with like your concealer and your blush. So it's really sad to say, but I'm going to go ahead and pass along this Fenty powder, which is in lavender. And I know that it wasn't cheap. It was not cheap whatsoever. That was really hard to do. Okay, next we have the Laura Mercier. I ain't never getting rid of these bitches. They are staying. They are my ride or dies. And until I finish them is when I finish them, and then they'll be gone. Okay, I've tried to get rid of this one like twice now. It's gonna have to go. I haven't even touched it. I haven't used it. Why did I keep it? Why did I keep it? Same thing with this ambient, like this Hourglass one. I know it's because it was expensive, which is why I kept it. But what does it do? What does it do? It's supposed to be just like a topper. The lightening powder. I think it's just time just to pass this on. Someone else will probably love this a little bit more than I will. So we'll just go ahead and do that. This is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX setting powder. It is more like a compact powder. This actually is really good for this like spot. And I don't have any compact powder besides that one. Well, I do have the one size one. So maybe I should keep this one because it's supposed to be more like a foundation, and then pass along this one. So we'll pass that one along because I gotta go. This is the Chilling Hard Candy Loose Powder Oil Control. I decently use amount of this, but this could probably go on to a better home as well. So we're setting on that, you know, getting rid of that one. What is this? Is this the e.l.f. one? This is the e.l.f. one, and it is like almost gone, I think. So I probably should put this back in my everyday and just get rid of it, because we're like so close to that. This is the Too Faced Born This Way translucent one. That's staying. This is the Urban Decay translucent one, so that one's staying. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix this real quick. Yep, there's that. And now that has literally taken down my setting powders and my foundations. Like, this is empty. This is crazy. But I probably could pour this one here so I can see them a little better. See them just a little better. And so we have definitely decluttered a lot. Alright, so we have fully decluttered this drawer now. You can definitely see how much more organized it is compared to where we first started. And now we can see everything that is also in the box. So after I've done the foundations, it looks like I've decluttered 1, 2, 3, 4 concealers, which I could have done better, but I didn't. But then as for setting powders, I've got 5 different setting powders that are in here. And I definitely did pretty damn well at foundations, I would say to myself. I mean, I probably could get rid of more concealers, but at the same time, I can't, because I love concealer so much and I use it every single day. But yeah, so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below so you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. So again, this is the end of the video, so you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't give the video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Again, don't forget to go ahead and leave your thoughts and comments down below. If you guys tried out any of these products, did you love them? Did you hate them? I gotta know. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!